to study guide for you. Today we're going to look at how to calculate um, the effort when you are giving the efficiency of a machine. So in this case now we have a question. It said that a plane inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizon has an efficiency of 60%. Calculate the force parallel to the plane required to push a load of 200 Newton uniformly up the plane. So in that case, what we have here, it looks like this. It's a machine that looks like this. This is 60 degrees, and then the load is here. Then we're looking for a force that will push it upward. That is the effort. Now our load is moving downward. So in this case, we know that efficiency here, the MA is equal to load over what? Effort. And velocity ratio is always sine, because we have 60 here. Then you can say sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Our load, our efficiency. Let's talk about efficiency here. Our efficiency is 60%. 60%. Now our load, our MA is equal to load over what? Our efforts. Then the velocity ratio, inverse of that will give us 1.1547. That is what we have there. So, and we know that efficiency is always equal to MA over VR times 100 over 1. 100 over 1. Then we'll get our listing efficiency. That's our efficiency now. So since we have the efficiency there, the next thing we are going to do here, we are going to look at it in this way. Our MA, which is 200 over our effort, which we don't know our effort, and then we have our velocity ratio to be our velocity ratio is now 1.154 times 100 equal to what? 60. Now I don't think we need this one anymore. What we can do here is, since we have our, what we have here is 60%. So in that 60%, what we do here is that, remember that we can also work on this. We have 200 and our efforts times 1 over 60 over 100. So when we cross multiply this, we have, this will multiply that one. We have 60 times 1.154 times our efforts. Let's just use E to represent the efforts. Then times 200 times 100 times also 1. So our E now will be 200 times 100 times 1 all over 60 times 1.5 and 4. Then we multiply through. We have our final answer will be 288.7 Newton. That's equal to our E, our effort. This is the effort that we need to um, make the load to move upward along the plane. So thank you so much. I would like to um, see your comments. Just comment and also encourage us, and also encourage us by subscribing. Thank you so much.